from gazing at stars with our naked eyes to landing rovers on Mars. Humanity's journey to explore space has 7 distinct levels, and we're about to unlock all of them. This is the 7 levels of space exploration. Level 1. The beginning. 5,000 years ago, humans had no telescopes, no satellites, no technology, just their eyes and the night sky. Ancient civilizations, the Babylonians, Egyptians, Greeks, they tracked the movement of stars and planets across the sky. They noticed patterns, they predicted eclipses. This was humanity's first level of space exploration. Not traveling to space, but understanding it existed. They built monuments like Stonehenge and the pyramids, aligned with celestial events. They mapped constellations, created calendars. Space exploration started with curiosity. Level 2. Everything changed in 1609. Galileo Galilei pointed a telescope at the sky and saw things no human had ever seen before. Mountains on the moon, moons orbiting Jupiter, Saturn's rings. Suddenly, the universe wasn't just points of light, it was worlds. Over the next few centuries, telescopes got more powerful. Astronomers discovered Uranus, Neptune, and countless galaxies beyond our own. We learned the universe was enormous, bigger than anyone had imagined, but we were still trapped on Earth, looking up. We couldn't touch space yet. That was about to change. Level 3.
The rocket!
For thousands of years, humans dreamed of flying to the stars, but it wasn't until the 20th century that we figured out how. Rockets. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. A metal sphere the size of a beach ball, beeping as it circled the planet. It changed everything. The space age had begun. Within years, both the United States and the Soviet Union were racing to send objects and people into space. We'd broken free of Earth's surface. For the first time in history, we were in space, not just observing it. Level 4. Humans in space. April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth. He saw our planet from above, a blue marble suspended in darkness, but humanity didn't stop there. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Between 1969 and 1972, 12 astronauts walked on the lunar surface. They collected rocks, conducted experiments, and planted flags. We'd gone from looking at the moon to standing on it. But those missions only lasted a few days. We couldn't stay in space yet. That required the next level. Level 5. Living in space. If we wanted to truly explore the cosmos, we needed to learn how to survive there long term. Enter space stations. The Soviet Union launched Salyut-1 in 1971, the first space station. Then came Mir, and in 1998, construction began on the International Space Station. The ISS orbits Earth every 90 minutes, 250 miles above our heads. Astronauts have lived there continuously for over 24 years. They conduct experiments in microgravity, study the effects of space on the human body, grow food in orbit. We learned we can live in space. But we weren't just focused on humans anymore. We had robots doing the hard work. Level 6. The robots. While humans orbited Earth, we sent robotic explorers deep into the solar system. Voyager 1 and 2, launched in 1977, flew past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They're now in interstellar space, over 15 billion miles from Earth, and still sending data. Mars rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have been exploring the red planet for decades, searching for signs of ancient life, testing technologies for future human missions. We've sent probes to comets, asteroids, even Pluto. Robots extended our reach to places humans couldn't yet go. But the ultimate goal, that's Level 7. Level 7, becoming interplanetary. This is where we are now, on the edge of the next giant leap. NASA's Artemis program plans to return humans to the Moon and establish a permanent base, not just flags and footprints this time, a settlement. SpaceX is building Starship, a fully reusable rocket designed to carry 100 people to Mars. Elon Musk's goal, a self-sustaining city on the Red Planet. Other companies and nations are joining the race. China, India, the UAE, everyone wants a piece of space, but Level 7 isn't just about Mars. It's about becoming a species that lives across multiple worlds, mining asteroids for resources, building habitats on moons of Jupiter and Saturn, eventually sending generation ships to other star systems. It sounds like science fiction, but so did landing on the Moon before 1969. The ancient Stargazers looked up and wondered. We're about to make their wildest dreams a reality. That's the 7th level. And we're just getting started. From naked eyes to interplanetary civilization. 7 levels, one incredible journey. Which level do you think we'll reach in your lifetime? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.